Hey guys, today we are going to fix this problem. Look at this. This is like slow motion, but stay tuned and check this out. Well, hey guys, today I am having a problem. I put the truck all together and I realized, hey, these windows are super slow at rolling down. I mean, look at that. That is a common problem these have. I mean, with the new rubbers and everything in these doors, it is just slow. Even worse coming up. I mean, that is slow motion. That is a joke. But, you know, that's the technology it was back then. So they just super not cool. But the battery's fully charged. I actually have it hooked up to a charger over there. Just so I could kind of show you guys, hey, this is what's going on. So what I ended up doing is I bought this kit here. Here, let me show you. So I bought this kit from LMC. Came with some relays here, and these wired directly to the battery, and should up the amperage to the power windows. This is the instructions. There's the part number if you guys end up wanting to order this after I install it. And it looks pretty simple. You're just cutting the old harness in the doors and then just crimping them right there. And it come with crimps and everything, but I sure in the heck am not going to crimp it. I'm going to solder my connections because these are always having problems and they're temporary, I feel like sometimes. So I'm going to solder all those in, but we'll go ahead and get moving on this. But I kind of just wanted to show you what I have here and what was in the kit. Not bad for what it is. I think the kit was like 29 bucks or 39 bucks. I can't remember which one, but I ordered it a while ago, didn't put it in, but today is its lucky day. I figure this will be a good time to get it done so the windows can get tinted soon, so stay tuned for that. I didn't want to try to tint the windows while the window barely rolls up and down. It's going to take some time, so we're going to put this in fast motion. I'm going to get the door panel off and we're going to slowly start moving along, and I'll stop at some key points and show you what I'm doing, but stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to solder these wires. So these, the blue and the brown here, these ones go to the switch over here. So the blue right here goes to this blue one here. So I'm going to stick this heat shrink on here. Just going to split the wires like so. Some of these wires out of the way. And then alright guys, let's get this thing soldered. Hey guys, that's not even hooked up to the main power all the way. That's just alligator clip. That works a lot better, and it's not running. Sweet, at least I know it's gonna work. Awesome, let's continue running wires, but sweet. Alright guys, so from the passenger side, I run the wires over here. They're just run to right here. So what I need to do is get this door panel taken off wire this side, and that way I can get the wires ran to the battery under the hood on this side, because on this Squarebody I put the battery on this side because the LS swap. But I'm going to get this panel off and then we'll continue the wiring up and I'll walk you through what I'm doing. So stay tuned. This will just be all in fast motion, so go ahead and watch. Okay, so these aren't quite the same holes, so I'm going to just drill these out a little bit. For the wiring harness, it just needs to be opened up a little bit. This is the shorter wiring harness, like I said. This one has a shorter distance to go than the other one, so that's why I'm doing it on this side, because my battery's on this side. Alright guys, so I just punched a hole right there through the bottom of the firewall, and I've got my left and my right wires for the power windows ran through that hole. So I do still need to put the kick panel on, but I'm going to get that wired up and then see how they work. So let's continue under the hood. Well, hey guys, so I got the wiring all installed. The windows do work great. They do go down really nicely and fast. And the cool thing is they go back up super fast. I mean, I'm super stoked. This is exactly what I wanted. I mean, even over there, that's a huge improvement. So with the engine running, they even go faster. So guys, hit subscribe, check out more of my videos, and thank you.